an alum of University of Toronto in the School of Engineering has given me opportunities to connect back to Canada. For example, last January 2019, I was invited to the Engineering Science Education Conference as a speaker to represent physics. What I like about it is that it allows me to communicate to students the breadth of opportunities that come from the School of Engineering at University of Toronto. You can end up working in the private sector, in policy, or in education itself. My PhD was in physics, despite my undergraduate degree being in engineering. For most of my research career, I was doing experimental particle physics. And part of that was building gigantic detectors to record billions of interactions at accelerators. And my engineering background gave me a deep appreciation for the detectors and instruments that we were building. When I learned that I was selected for the Alumni Hall of Distinction, I first felt humbled. I also felt deeply appreciative of the opportunities I had in Canada for world-class education so that I could have such a fulfilling career. My immediate plans are to continue doing all these things I love: research, teaching, mentoring, and service to the university and nationally. I'm getting to the career stage, though, where I may consider stepping more strongly into leadership roles in the university. The pandemic has shown us how important it is that we have good leadership, and a lot of us are really benefiting from that leadership. What I'm most proud of in my career is the students that I have mentored. The students come in different parts of their career stage: undergraduates, PhD students, and also postdoctoral scholars. So mentoring them has been a joy to me, and seeing what they have accomplished is what I'm most proud of.